Welcome you all. So, I would like to welcome you all to Coffee with Pharmacist, organized by Baddi University Pharmaceutical Association under the flagship of Baddi University. Before starting everything, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Vedika and I am pursuing my Bachelor of Pharmacy from Baddi University. So, with this, I would like to welcome Dr. Ramesh Prasher, who has 70 years of experience and who has done his PhD chemistry from CCS University Meerut, MB Operations and HR from Swami Vivekananda Subharati University, done his MSc from HND Ganeshwar University, Srinagar, BSc from Kurukshetra University, and he is also an approved chemist in chemistry and instruments, RD Vaddi. So please welcome our today's guest, Dr. Ramesh Prasher. Hello sir, how are you?
Fine.
So sir, I would like to take it so long. My first question for you is, how you feel being the part of this show?
I feel myself honored that I could be the part of this celebration and I could share my knowledge and experience of 17 years in the industry. What I
Thank you
love.
sir, it is a pleasure. So my second question is, how you can describe your journey of hard work till now?
Since I joined in R&D, so particularly when you work in R&D, so your coming time is fixed and when you will go it is not decided. And later on I worked with so many big organizations like Ranbaxy, Macroids. So work pressure was always very huge and we found sometimes it difficult but still it was I came to this profession by choice, so I never found that any hard work is there. It's a part of life, what I feel is.
So sir wants to tell that whatever you do it with fun. So my next question for you, sir, everyone says like a college study and a industrial study are totally different. So would you please explain why it is so?
Yeah, as I already explained that acquired knowledge and required knowledge is two different things. When we acquire knowledge in the educational institutions, we don't know what kind of knowledge is required in the industry. So it is, I think, if we work with the higher education institutes, companies or industry work with them in hand to hand, then I think it will become a powerful engine of this innovation. So it is a little bit different, then that is why I was interested to interact with students to have this, to eliminate this gap.
Thank you, sir. So, as per information, I got that you change so many industries
Yeah.
for your work. So, sir, would you please tell me why it is so?
Yeah, there are, two reasons behind this. One was that I was over ambitious right from the first day of my job. Not only for the money, but I always thought that I should learn so many things in a very short span of time. So I worked with well-reputed pharmaceuticals. At that time, Ranbaxy was India's #1 organization. I knew even I spent there 2 years and left that organization. And different formulations I was interested to work with. So as on date, I have experience of external pharmaceutical and injections or liquids, solid oral dosage form. So and second was my growth was also very good up to certain level. After getting more than 10 to 12 of years of experience, it become little stagnant. So that is why I changed.
So, with your answer, I want to ask you that which industry was best for you? You said ki this yes, this was best.
I worked with a good organization, so I never felt anywhere that this is not the good. Since pharmaceutical industry, they govern by some guidelines, some regulations. So wherever the pharmaceutical products are being manufactured, so all industries are, I think, on the same level. Yes, there is a difference in the regulatory environment and in the domestic environment. Whenever we work with some organization having approval from US FDA, So at that time, the requirements become a little more stringent requirements are there. So this is the only difference. Otherwise, medicines either it is produced for the domestic market or for the export are of the same quality. I don't think that there is any difference.
That's very good. So I don't know how evaluations can be done in quality control departments. Can you please explain it to me as a fresher?
Yeah. As a see, if you are working with pharmaceutical industry, not only pharmaceutical industry, but wherever you work, you must have some level of responsibility, right? So, particularly when we talk about quality control, as the word is self-explanatory, that quality is being controlled by quality control people. So it is very very important. Production people can do anything wrong, QA people can do anything wrong, but quality control people should not do anything wrong, because this is the only challenge. And after the signature of an approved person, nobody is going to challenge that particular product in the market even, that will directly go to. So whenever you go to industry for the job, you have to act as a responsible person, nothing more than this. Right? The rest of the work that will be explained by the seniors and all in the industry.
Thank you very much, sir. It helped me a lot. So, sir, my next question is pharmacy is good for a chemist, to being a chemist or something like in profession of chemistry?
See, it's as far as career is concerned, I think it's an evergreen field. Lot of opportunities are there. You see, when in 2008 there was a very big slump in the industry, particularly in IT industry. At that time, pharmaceutical industry was grown by 28% or 25% like that. So it's very and you must feel honored that you are serving for the nation. It's a profession that where you serve for the nation, for the betterment of the human being.
Thank you, sir. It motivates my soul. So my next question is, what was your aim in childhood and how it is changed as it grows up?
Since my initial education was completed at my native place, so we were not that much focused about the career that later on I will do this and that. It was not like today's life, because today's children, they know what is to do. So yes, after graduation, at the time of graduation, I decided to work with the pharmaceutical industry, because I studied in particularly this Kalpa and the pharmaceutical industry is all around nearby. So I understood that pharmacist is one of the profession. So I decided to go with the MSc chemistry. Otherwise, I was selected for MSc physics also somewhere, but I haven't gone there.
Thank you, sir. So my next question for you is, I am also a medical student and I passed out my plus 2, and I thought that chemistry was the toughest subject for me. So can you so please motivate our viewers?
Yeah, what I personally feel is chemistry is a colorful subject. So it's very, like mathematics. If you understand the concept, you will be able to explain all the things. You need not to, read it again and again. Once you understood the concept, it hardly matters. And particularly, I did MSc in organic chemistry, so I found always organic chemistry is the most easiest subject. So you can see it's like if you feel that don't go away with your responsibilities, from your responsibilities. So take it as a challenge. I don't think that there is any issue with the mathematics or with the chemistry or physics. All subjects are equal.
Okay, sir.
Even I got prizes in physics also, and I did MSc in chemistry.
It's so nice of you, sir. So my next question is, what type of student you was in your school time?
I was little bit sincere, but not that much. means at that time it was not you know, like today's life, it was not like that. I was simply an average student, not an very much intelligent and this and that, वो ऐसा नहीं था. I was very simple student, and thought was like that I will do something for the betterment of the fellow beings. It was my motive from the childhood.
सर इससे बताना चाह रहे हैं कि अगर हमारा किसी चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट बढ़ जाए तो वो हो ही जाता है.
Right.
So my next question for you is, what type of college was in Kurukshetra, because that place is also a regional place?
No, it was University Kurukshetra. I did my graduation from this Kalka. So there was only one government college in Kalka at that time. So it was good college, and people around this Haryana and Himachal, they come to that particular place for study, and it was good college. Good atmosphere was there for the study, and we studied under very good people. That S.B. Gupta was there for chemistry, who was the member of IUPAC, and one madam was there. She was double PhD from Canada. So people I found in the education but were very highly educated people. So they inspired us a lot.
Okay, sir. So, sir, with this, I want to go with you a rapid fire round. I'll ask you 5 questions and you have to answer it in 2 or 3 words.
Okay.
So, sir, my first question for you is, how was your college life? Any one thing that makes your college different from others?
College life was beautiful, and college, different college. As I already told you that there was only one college, so it was not in question that I will go any other college. There was not any option.
So, my next question is, how was your interaction with your seniors and your teachers?
Teachers, yes, I still in contact with my teachers. I always respected my teachers, and students were also, some of the students are still in my contact.
Okay, sir. So my next question is, it is little much funny, but कहते हैं कि जब भी कॉलेज में जाते हैं तो लड़कों का जो हॉस्टल होता है वो एक अलग तरीके का होता है, और वहाँ बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशंस बहुत अजीब तरीके की होती है. तो सर आपने भी कभी ऐसा कुछ फेस किया है?
यस, पहली बात तो ये कि मैं आई नेवर स्पेंड एनी टाइम इन द हॉस्टल. हम रहते थे 10-12 लड़के एक ऐसा लिविंग कॉम्प्लेक्स लेके, जब मैं MSc में था. बट सेलिब्रेशन कैसे होते थे वो मैं आपको शायद यहाँ एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाऊँ. वो वाकई अलग तरह के होते हैं. तो यस, वी हैड एक्सपीरियंस विद दैट. सो वो अलग तरह का होता है, बिकॉज वो एक अलग ही समय होता है, और आई थिंक कि सब आदमी को एंजॉय करना चाहिए उस टाइम में, बिकॉज दैट टाइम विल नेवर कम बैक.
Okay. So one moment that you never forget with your friends.
ऐसा तो कोई मोमेंट रहे हैं, तो वो ऐसा कुछ खास मोमेंट नहीं है जिसको मतलब ऐसा बोला नहीं जा सकता.
So sir, एक क्वेश्चन हमारे व्यूअर्स जानना चाहते हैं आपसे कि इंडस्ट्रीज में ऐसा होता है कि जो हमारे सीनियर्स होते हैं वो जो फ्रेशर्स होते हैं उनको डराते हैं कि यहाँ सैलरी वगैरह नहीं मिलती है, ऐसा कुछ?
नहीं, सैलरी तो मिलती है, बट सैलरी इनिशियली कम मिलती है फार्मा इंडस्ट्री में एज कम्पेयर टू अदर इंडस्ट्रीज, पर्टिकुलरली इन IT सेक्टर. एंड but you see, as I already explained, that this is a evergreen industry, right? After certain time of period, means if you spend 8 to 10 years in the pharmaceutical industry, you will compare with those people who are already there in the IT sector, or they are getting salary right from the first day of their job. You will be very much ahead from them. So the second thing is that salary depends on the your hard work and your learning, and so many things are there. Not only कि आप 6 घंटे का 8 घंटे का जॉब किया और घर को आ गए, तो वो जॉब तो चलती रहती है, बट ग्रोथ, बिकॉज इंडस्ट्री में कैसा है कि आपको पैसा आपके हुनर पे मिलता है. ऐसा नहीं कि आप जा रहे हैं और आ रहे हैं, नौकरी चलती रहेगी. ग्रोथ जो मिलेगी वो आपको उसके हिसाब से मिलेगी कि आप क्या लर्न कर पाए. कुछ लोग 10 साल में मैनेजर बनते हैं, कुछ लोग 7 साल में मैनेजर बन जाते हैं और कुछ 15 साल में भी नहीं बन पाते। द रीज़न बिहाइंड दिस वो अपने ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है कि हाउ यू आर लर्निंग इन द इंडस्ट्री। सो इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट कि सैलरी, हाँ सैलरी कम मिलती है, इट इज़ फॉर श्योर। 2-3-4 साल तो आप किसी भी IT वाले के साथ कंपेयर करोगे तो आप कहीं पे भी नहीं होंगे। इवन बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज जो बड़े सेटअप भी हैं उनमें भी इतना बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको इनिशियली बहुत ज़्यादा सैलरी देते हैं, बिकॉज वहाँ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं कि आपको डे 1 से सिखाना पड़ता है कि एनालिस्ट बनाने के लिए हमें कम से कम 4 साल लगते हैं, जो उसको एक परफेक्ट एनालिस्ट बनाने के लिए। सो टिल देन यू विल गेट लिटिल अमाउंट, आफ्टर दैट यू विल हैव, यस।
So, sir, your last best advice for future pharmacists?
As I already explained to you that there must not be compromise with the quality, not only of pharmaceutical products, quality of life even. You live a quality life. और अगर जैसे फार्मासिस्ट हैं तो वो उनका एक देखने का नज़रिया भी ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि यस यार ये फार्मासिस्ट आदमी और इसने अगर कुछ काम किया है तो वो अच्छा होगा। तो आप ऐसी एक इमेज के साथ अपनी चलें लाइफ में तो आपको बहुत अभी मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि जो आज की जनरेशन है वो हमारे से तो काफ़ी स्मार्ट है। एटलीस्ट हम जब MSc करके आ गए थे उसके बाद पता चला कि गूगल जैसी कोई चीज़ होती है, वी कैन सर्च एनीथिंग ओवर देयर, बट यू पीपल आर हैविंग ऑल द थिंग्स इन योर हैंड। सो दैट्स वाई मैंने वहाँ पे प्रेजेंटेशन वो पढ़ने के लिए नहीं, वो बिकॉज यू विल हैव बेटर देन दैट प्रेजेंटेशन यू मे हैव, बट कॉन्सेप्ट पता होना चाहिए, कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आना चाहिए। उसी टॉपिक पे आप काम करें कि कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर काम करें तो यू विल फाइंड इट इजी।
So, thank you very much for coming in our show.
थैंक
तो
यू।
मैं आपको एक पहाड़ी टोपी देना चाहती हूँ एज अवर टोकन ऑफ लव।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Thank you very much, sir, and I hope we will meet again. University for giving me this opportunity. Faculty member, thank you. Faculty Organization Secretary Nitin Sharma sir, Student OS, Tamanna Thakur. Special thanks to Mr. Vivek sir and Manju ma'am. Thank to Director of Show Ritik Kumar Arun. Thank to cameraman Nikhil Kajori. Now we will meet in next episode. Thank you and stay tuned.